These are RACKOM IP55 outdoor cabinets for the city surveillance, smart city projects and the solar projects as well as Wi-Fi projects. These are vertical 19-inch mounting. This has lots of space for the UPS, PoE switches, media converters, fiber management systems and all related components and accessories, active and passive, for the IT, telecom and surveillance purpose. And this you can see the vertical mounting. Cable anti-glands, fan outside, door limit switch, thermostat fan controlled, fresh air filter for air intake, earthing kit, and again the copper earthing bar. Thank you.